The sport of kings now. More points for qualification to this year's Mouttet Mile will be on offer when 6 runners go postward in Saturday's feature event on the 10-race card at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
60 points towards December's 5th running of the Mouttet Mile will go to the winner of Saturday's 5th running of the Seeking My Dream Trophy, a graded stakes and open allowance contest over 7.5 furlongs. Reigning champion trainer Jason Acosta and the 3-time former champion Anthony Baba Nunes will account for the 6 runners. Da Costa will saddle 4 runners, including 2024 Mouttet Mile winner and former Horse of the Year Fancied, the 2-to-1 second choice in the overnight odds, to be partnered by his favorite jockey Robert Halladine. Da Costa's other entrants are Is That a Fact with apprentice Emilio McLean, Gervano to be ridden by inform apprentice Jaheim Anderson, and California Crown, the mount of Aaron Chatry. Nunes will send out the 75 anti-post favorite Barnaby, the mount of 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman, and Neo Star to be guided by apprentice Tajay Suku. Da Costa's speedball California Crown is expected to set the fractions from the get-go, but could get some competition on the headlines from Neo Star. This should set up the race nicely for the run-on entrants such as Funky and Dunn, stable companion Gervano toting a mere 106 pounds, and Barnaby. Barnaby could face a tricky scenario in that he cannot be held too far off the pace and also cannot afford to get caught up on the headlines. He's coming off an impressive victory by 6 lengths the last time he raced, going 9 furlongs and 25 yards on April 26, where he had Gervano and Neo Star behind. He has also gotten a 9-pound ease at the scale and could very well record back-to-back victories if he can stave off the late burst from Funky and Dunn and Gervano. The program will also have the divided James B. Dawes Memorial Trophy for overnight allowance runners over 5 furlongs straight as the supporting feature. The Seeking My Dream Trophy is listed as race number 4 at 1:50 p.m., while first post for the 10-race card is 11:50 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.